Okay, crossing your arms for me. Chin down. That's it. Leaning back onto me. Oh, that's it.
That was good.
Tensing. Just let it go. Wiggle your left big toe for me.
Oh! Yes! That is, yes!
Nice and relaxed for me on these ones. That's it.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Okay, now those muscles, you can tell it's definitely guarding it. Okay, here we go.
That's great.
Wow.
Brilliant.
Okay, here we go. Just crossing the arms. Okay, chin down for me. Leaning back onto me. That's it. That was going to go right away.
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
Awesome. Again, all you have to do is just relax. It's going to be a very quick maneuver. Just let that go. There you go. Your first adjustment ever. Good. You did very well.
Whoa.
Crossing, and I kind of have to have you kind of bend forward a little bit. Yes, keep that angle and then lean back. That's it. Good. It's all about the angles. It's all good. Okay. Here we go. And just crossing the arms. That's it. Chin down for me. Oh.
That was a good one.
Yes, it was. And I almost fell off the chair. Let's not do that. All right, here we go. Yeah. I'm gonna get this one too. Yep. Just let that go. Good. Oh, very good. Wow. I was expecting a good one, but that definitely exceeded expectations on that one. Wow. And just crossing your arms and then chin down for me, please. Just nice and easy. Very good. Okay. Good, you've got good flexibility. Here we go. Nice. Look at your face.
Wow.
There you go. That wasn't so bad, was it?
No.
Just let that muscle relax. There you go. No, relax.
That's a good one.
Wow. Going to look like I'm going to choke you. I promise not to.
Okay.
It's just going to go like this. Nice and easy. That's it. Okay, right here.
Oh.
Very nice. You alright?
Yes.
Good. Alright. Yep, and right there. There you go, staying just like that. Perfect. Whoa!
Oh man.
That was huge. Wow.
I always tense up just before and need you just to remind me.
That's it right there. Okay. Nice and relaxed. Just let that go. There you go.
Oh,
That's it.
whoa. I was not expecting that.
I'm just trying to concentrate.
Okay.
I'm not freaking out.
Okay, here we go. Nice and relaxed for me.
Whoa!
That's it.
Oh my god! Shit!
There we go. Let that just roll towards me. That's it. Nice and easy. Oh, fantastic. That was a good one. So on this first one, your hands go on top of mine. Chin down for me. Oh, very good. That was easy.
Yeah.
Just let that head go. Good.
Oh, got a little crack.
Yeah. And then one over here as well.
Whoa.
Yeah. You're not. There you go. Just nice and relaxed. There, we got it. Beautiful.
I heard the song.
It's good, isn't it? Okay, your hands go on top of mine.
Yeah.
Chin down, elbows together. Oh, great.
That's a good one.
It's an earlobe. Okay, here we go. Let that relax right there. There you go. Good. There it is.
You're so sneaky. So sneaky.
So sneaky. Oh, yes. Just let that roll towards. It's cracking already. Here we go. Oh, that was amazing.
Like I was trying to let it go, but it just wasn't letting go.
There we go. Nice. Okay. And then all you have to do is just relax that muscle right there. That's perfect. A little bit more. There you go.
I'm so glad we did not count down. Oh my god. Okay.
Just let it relax. Oh!
Far out. That was hectic.
So good.
Oh, that was like a.
That was a.
That was nuts. Wait, what's that?
And then this one. Here we go. Oh, there you go.
Whoa.
Okay, just bring your chin up a little bit for me. There you go, and just relax that muscle. That's it. Perfect.
Oh my god, second one.
Nice and crunch. Just let that go. Wow. That was nice.
That was good.
And you've got another one for me. That's it right here. Okay, nice and easy. That's it. Wow. And then your hands go right on top of mine. Yep. Okay, just relax for me. Oh, very good. Those are loud. Okay, just bring your chin up a little bit for me. There you go, and just relax that muscle. That's it. Perfect.
Oh my god, second one.
Nice and crunch. Crossing the arms, chin down for me. Leaning back. Let it relax. Oh, very good. Just right up here on top. Just let that go. Ooh, wow. Whoa. Excellent. Yep, chin down a little bit. Leaning back onto me. Wow.
I think I'm taller now.
You probably are taller. Here we go. Nice. That definitely got the SI joint on that right and L5 on the left. Okay, that's going to be challenging to adjust. A little bit closer. Okay, Moz, move your bum, please. Yeah. There we go. Oh. All right. Just crossing the arms. And it's only this one in the thoracic spine. Leaning back onto me. Keep the chin down though. There you go. Keep leaning. Leaning. Yeah, nice. I think I took the table with me on that one. Keep that just like that. And just let that roll towards me. I'm going to put some pressure down. And there it is. Pretty good, isn't it? Hands go on mine on this one.
Like this?
Yep, there we go. Elbows a little closer together. There you go. Oh! Holy cow. Just let it relax.
Whoa, that was huge. There you go.
Just nice and relaxed right there. Oh! That's it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that was a good one. And let me get this one as well. Big breath in and out. Nice. Over here as well. That's great. All right, here we go.
I don't know whether to laugh or cry.
Yeah. So clearly you were holding a lot of tension in your neck.
Just a little bit.
Here we go. Oh, yes. That's it. And one more. That's it right there. Oh! Oh. Just let that roll. That's it. Oh, yes. Very good. Oh. That's it.